Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session, we are going to discuss some good problems based on the basic properties of lines and angles. Okay, we have already discussed in our previous sessions about parallel lines, different types of angles like corresponding angles, interior angles, vertically opposite angles, complementary and supplementary angles, and many more. Okay, in this session, we just try some good problems. So let's begin the session. Now let's say this question. In this question, this is line L and this is line M. And the line L is parallel to line M. And we have to find out the missing angle, that is angle X in this case. Okay, and we are given that this particular angle is 55 degree. Now friends, quite simple question. Just have to apply the basic properties of pair of angles. This is 55 degree and these two lines are parallel. That means angle Y will also be of 55 degrees since both of them are corresponding angle, isn't it? So angle Y will be 55 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Okay, so this is 55 degree. Now angle Y plus angle X will be 180. Why? Because they are linear pair. Okay, now angle X we have to find out. Angle Y we already know it is 55 degree. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 55. Clear? So it would be 125 degree. Quite easy. Let's take the next problem. Now, in this question, we are given three lines, that is L, M, and N. And we are given that L is parallel to N. And here we can see L is also parallel to M. So all the three lines are parallel to each other. And we are given the ratio of X and Y, that is 3:2, and we have to find out the value of Z. Okay, now X and Y, both of them are interior opposite angle, isn't it? So angle X plus angle Y will be 180 since line L is parallel to line M. So angle X plus angle Y will be 180. Why? Because they are interior opposite angles. Okay, now we are given the ratio of X and Y, that is 3:2. So we can assume X as 3K and Y as 2K. So it's 3K plus 2K is 180, or we can say 5K is 180, or K is equal to 180 by 5, that is 36. So K is 36. Now we can calculate the value of X and Y. So angle X is equal to 3 into 36, that is 108. Angle Y is equal to 2 into 36, that is 72. Now we can calculate the value of Z also. Since angle Y and this particular angle, this angle will be corresponding angle. So even this angle will be of 72 degrees. Suppose I assume it to be P. So angle P will be 72. And angle P plus angle Z, both of them are linear pair. So their sum will be 180. So angle Z will be 180 minus 72, that is 108. Okay, so the value of angle Z will be 108. I hope you are clear. Apart from that, we can also say that angle X is and angle Z, both of them are alternate interior angles. So whatever the value of angle X, the same value will be of angle Z, since we can see a shape of Z over here. So angle X and angle Z, both of them are alternate interior angles. Okay. Now in this question, we have to further find out the value of x. Now line L is parallel to line M. Okay. If this angle is 145 degree, then what will be the value of this angle? Can we calculate that? Yes. Since this angle and this angle, both of them are linear pair, so this angle will be 180 minus 145. So it's 180 minus 145. So it is 35 degree. So this angle is 35 degree. Now it is this angle. Okay. Now we can also calculate this angle. Since both the lines are parallel, so this angle and this angle, both of them are interior opposite angles, and their sum should be 180. So if this is 70, it has to be 110. So this angle is 110. Now this angle is 110, and this, both of them are further linear pair. So if it is 110, it will be of 70 degree. Okay. So we can say that this angle will be of 70 degree. Now what? This is 70 degree, this is 35 degree, and this we can see a triangle. Okay. So angle X plus this angle, that is 70 degree, plus this angle, that is 35 degree, is 180. Okay. So we can calculate 180 minus 105. So it's 75 degree. So what will be the value of angle X? That will be 75 degree. Clear? Since this angle is 70 degree, we can see this a shape of Z. So this angle will also be of 70 degree. Alternatively, we can say, since both of them are alternate interior angles. Okay. So we calculated this angle. We calculated this angle by the property of linear pair. And then we applied the property of triangle, that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? Now in this question, we are given three parallel lines, that is L, M and N. L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N. That means all the three lines are parallel to each other. Now we have to calculate the value of X over here. Now friends, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is a transversal. So this complete angle, that is this complete angle plus this angle, will be of 180 degree, since they are interior opposite angles, isn't it? So this complete angle plus this complete angle is 180. Now this is 90, this is 50, then that means this angle has to be of 40 degree. Okay. So this is 40, this is 50. They are 90, then plus this 90, total 180. So this angle is 40, this angle is 90. So we can calculate this angle. What will be the value of this angle? Since we can see a triangle over here. So it's 90, it's 40, then it will be 180 minus 90 plus 40. So 180 minus 130, so it will be 50 degree. So this angle is 50 degree. Now this angle and this angle, this is 50 degree. This angle plus this angle, both of them are forming a linear pair. So if it is 50, it has to be 130 degree. Clear? Quite simple. Now in this question, we are given that AB is parallel to DE. That means this line is parallel to this line. And we can see that this line, that is AD, is transversal to both of them. Okay. Now if AB is parallel to DE and AD is transversal, that means this angle will be equal to this angle. Since both of them are alternate angles, we can see a shape of Z. Okay. So this angle and this angle, if these two lines are parallel, they will be alternate angles, and in the case of parallel lines, they will be equal. So if this angle is of 75 degree, then this angle will be also of 75 degree. So in this case, angle X will be of 75 degree. Don't bother much about the diagram which is given over here. It seems to be difficult, but actually it is quite easy. Fine. Now let's see this question. Here AB is parallel to DE and we have to find out the value of X. Further, the diagram seems to be tedious, but actual mein the quite simple. Okay, so we see a shape of Z over here. So if this angle is 35 degree, even this angle will be of 35 degree. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. Now this angle is 35 degree, this is 25, and we can see a triangle over here. And the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So just write, this is angle X plus this is 25 degree plus this is 35 degree, and in all it is 180. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 60, or we can say 120 degree. Quite simple. Now in this question, PQ is parallel to SR, that PQ is parallel to SR, and we have to find out this angle. Okay, now this angle and both of them, that means this angle and this angle. So this complete angle and this angle, both of them are interior opposite angles. I assume this angle to be, suppose, P. So 90 degree plus angle X plus angle P is 180 degree. Why? Because they are interior opposite angles. Okay. Now this angle is 55 degree. I suppose this angle as maybe angle K. So this plus this should be 180 since both of them are linear pair. So angle K plus 55 is 180. So angle K is 180 minus 55, or we can say 125. So this angle is 125. Fine. Now this angle is 125. This is 22. Then this angle would be the third angle of the triangle, or we can say this angle, that is the exterior angle, is the sum of these two angles. Okay. So if this is 55 degree and this is 22, so angle P must be 33. Okay. Angle P is equal to 33. Now this is 33, this is 22. Both of them are the two angles of the triangle which are equivalent to, or which are equal to, the exterior angle, that is exterior opposite angle. Now this angle plus this angle, that is angle X plus angle P, is 90 degree. Here we can see angle X plus angle P will be 180 minus 90. So angle X plus angle P is 90 and angle P is 33 degree. So angle X plus 33 is 90. So angle X is 90 minus 33. Okay. So it's 57 degree. Okay. Now in this question, we are given a triangle, that is ABC, and also we are given that BO and CO, that means this BO and this CO, that are bisector of angle ABC and angle ACB. Okay. Now we can see a triangle ABC. So first of all, let's find out the third angle of the triangle, that is angle ABC. Now angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle CBA. These are the three angles of the triangle and they will be of 180 degree. Now BAC is what? BAC, it's of 50 degree plus ACB, that we have to find out, plus CBA is 64 degree. So it's 180. So we can calculate angle ACB, that is 180 minus 50 minus 64. Okay. That is 66. Now this complete angle is 66 and OC is the bisector of this complete angle. That means this inner angle will be of 33 degree. So it's 33 degree, the inner angle. Here this complete angle is 64 degree. So the half part will be of 32 degree. Now these three are forming a triangle. This angle is 32 degree, only this part, only this part is 33 degree and the remaining part is angle X. So angle X plus 32 plus 33, since they are forming a triangle, their sum will be 180. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 55, or we can say 125 degree. Okay, so quite simple. Now let's see this interesting question. Here ray AP stands on line L. This is a line L and there is a ray AP. Angle BAP is 75 degree. Angle CAQ is 25 degree, that is given to us, and we have to find out the reflex angle PAQ. That means PAQ. That means this complete angle we have to find out. Now quite easy. See, this is a straight line. So if this angle is 75 degree, what will be the value of this angle? Since this angle and this angle, both of them are forming linear pair. Okay, so this angle will be of 105 degree. Okay, and this angle and this angle, again both of them are forming linear pair. So if this angle is 25 degree, this will be 180 minus 25. So we can say it's 180 minus 25, or it's 155. Now this angle is 155 and this angle is 75. So angle PAQ is equal to angle PAB plus angle BAQ, isn't it? That means this angle plus this angle. Now PAB is 75 degree, then plus BAQ, that is this angle, that is 155. So the total angle is 75 plus 155, that is 230. Okay, quite easy problem. Now in this case, line L is parallel to line M. Angle ABC and BAC are given to us and we have to find out this angle, that is angle X. Friends, this angle plus this angle plus this angle should be 180 since all the three angles are of triangle. So we can calculate angle ACB, that is 180 minus 55 minus, plus 85. So it's 180 minus 140. Okay, that means it is 40 degree. That means this angle is of 40 degree. Now angle X and this angle, both of them are alternate interior angles, isn't it? So if this angle is 45 degree, this angle will be also of 45 degree. So angle X is equal to 40 degree. If this angle is 40 degree, this angle will also be of 40 degree since both of them are alternate angles. Okay, so quite simple. Now in this question, we are given that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, and we have to prove that AOB is a straight line. That means if it is a straight line, the two angles, that is angle 1 and angle 2, they will be forming a linear pair. So what we have to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Okay, so if we can prove angle 1 plus angle 2 180 degree, that means the line AB will be a straight line. Okay, now how could we do that? We see an angle O over here, and these are the four angles. So all the angles will be added to 360 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degree. since this is a point and all the four angles are lying on a circle. So it's angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degree. Now I can replace the value of angle 3 plus angle 4 as angle 1 plus angle 2. So it's angle 1 plus angle 2 plus, instead of angle 3 plus angle 4, I'm writing down angle 1 plus angle 2. So it's 360. Now 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 is 360. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. Okay. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 and they are actually linear pair. So if their sum is 180, that means this line, that is line AOB, is a straight line. Clear? Now in this question, ray OP is perpendicular to line AB at O. Another ray OQ is lying between OA and OP, and we have to prove that angle POQ is half of angle BOQ minus angle AOQ. Friends, just first of all, just label all the angles. So angle POB will be 90 degrees since OP is perpendicular to AB, and this angle POQ I have named as angle 1 and angle AOQ as angle 2. Now since AOB is a straight line, we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus this 90 will be 180 since they are on the straight line. So I just write it over here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 90 is 180. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is also 90 degree. Okay. Simultaneously, I just write this equation which we have to prove in the in these angle terms. Okay. So precisely what we have to prove, angle POQ, that is angle 1, is equal to half of angle BOQ, that is BOQ, that is angle 1 plus 90 degree. Just write it over here. So it's POQ, it's angle 1 plus, is equal to half of, that we have to prove, angle 1 is equal to half of angle BOQ, that is BOQ, that is angle 1 plus 90 degree minus angle AOQ, that is AOQ, that is angle 2. Okay, that means precisely we have to prove angle 1 is equal to half of angle 1 plus 90 degree minus angle 2. Okay. Now in this relationship, what I want in the left hand side is in angle 1. So I just replace this angle 2 by this equation. So angle 2 is actually 90 minus angle 1. So I just write it over here. I'm just taking the right hand side portion of this relationship. So it's half of angle 1 plus 90 minus, what is angle 2? It's 90 minus angle 1. So it's, since it is 90 minus angle 1, if I open the bracket, it will be minus 90 plus angle 1. So this is cancelled. So it's half of twice angle 1, that is angle 1. So we got this. On the right hand side we got angle 1, and that we had to prove. So it's quite easy. Now in this question, line AB is parallel to line CD. We are given these angles, that is this angle AQP is 140 degree and angle PRD is 35 degree. Okay. Friends, for simplicity, I am extending this line. Okay. Now I have extended this line. Now we can see AB is parallel to CD, and this complete line, that is this line, is a transversal. Now this angle is 140 degree. That means this angle will be of 40 degree since both of them are forming linear pair. So angle PQP will be 40 degree. I just write it over here. Angle PQ and P will be of 40 degree. Now if this angle is 40 degree, we can see a shape of Z over here. So if it is 40 degree, even this angle will be also of 40 degree. So it's P, I just name it maybe X. So PXR will also be of 40 degree since this angle and this angle, both of them are alternate interior angles. Now this angle plus this part of the angle will be 180 degrees since R, P, X, they are forming a triangle. Triangle R, P, X. Okay. Now this is 35 degree plus this angle is 40 degree plus this angle, that is RPX, is 180 degree. So we can calculate RPX. Angle RPX is 180 minus 75. So it's 105. That means this angle is 105. Now this part, that is RPX plus angle 1, will be of 180 since they are forming a linear pair. So angle 1 plus RPX is 180 and RPX is 105. That means angle 1 is 75 degree. So if angle 1 is 75 degree, this angle RPX is 105 degree, we can calculate the value of QPR. QPR is what? QPR is angle 1 and angle 1 is nothing but 75 degree. And apart from that, we have to find out the remaining part of this complete central angle. So if angle 1 is 75 degree, the remaining part will be 360 minus 75. So we are calculating the reflex QPR. That will be 360 minus 75. Okay. So it will be 285 degree. Okay, quite simple. I just go for a quick recap. We are given these two angles, that is this angle and this angle. This angle and this angle, both of them will be alternate interior angles, and these two are linear pair. So if it is 40 degree, even it will be a 40 degree. Then we can see a triangle RPX over here. In this case, this is 40 degree, this is 35 degree. That means the third angle will be of 105 degree. Okay. So this angle we calculated. This and this are linear pair. So further, this angle 1 plus this angle will be 180 degree. So we can calculate angle 1. Angle 1 is angle QPR and the reflex angle is nothing but 360 minus angle 1. That is 285 degree. So it's quite simple, friends. Friends, we will be taking more such problems based on proofs in our next session. So do revise this session and the previous sessions of lines and angles for better clarity of concept. Bye-bye.